Welcome. We are going to cover the types of indicators in this lecture. There are two types of indicators. Both are very important: lagging indicators and leading indicators. Leading indicators take into account previous price action and display it on a chart. They give us information about the past performance of price action. Traders can then use this information to decide whether it is time to enter or exit from a trade. Moving averages and Bollinger Bands are lagging indicators. Now there are a lot of other lagging indicators, however we will only be covering these two indicators in this course. Leading indicators give us a strength into future events. They take into account events that have already taken place and give us a signal on what may happen in the near future. The relative strength index, the MACD, the stochastic oscillators are examples of leading indicators that we will cover. Please bear in mind that there is no perfect indicator. If there was a perfect indicator, we would all be very, very rich, right? Both leading and lagging indicators have limitations, and we will study these in the next few lessons. So I'll see you in the next lecture.